Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Julia Evangelina, your sugar baby. Alright guys, so for today's content, another video, another unboxing guys. So this arrived this morning and let's unbox this in 3, 2, 1. Let's intro first.
Nood na tayo ng mga good vibes na mga video natin ni Ate Lia B. Tara at mag-explore, tayo'y mapangiti, mga saya niya na hatid sa atin. Ito ang vlog ni Ate Lia B.
Alright, so it's bubble wrap and it said here on the tape, this carton has been sealed with security tape. Warning. If this seal is broken, check content before acceptance. So, mukhang okay naman. There's some dents a little bit, pero okay naman. So, let's open it. Here, no video, no return exchange. So, videohin natin. And finally, here it is. So, we have some aqua flask, tumbler, and jug. So, let's see. This edition, guys, school edition again for the kids. And kita na agad yung first one. So, the first one is like this. Ayan, it's 40 ounce. And let's see inside. So, itong model is like the one I bought to my husband and to myself, yung pink. Ito ay para kay Jarrell. Black one, guys. Black boot. May boot na siyang dala. Don't mind my hands, guys. Ayan. And ito, yung kanyang takip. Ayan, it's black, white, and purple. Ayan, ganyan siya, 40 ounce. So, ito kay Jarrell. Next one, this one is Aqua Flask Jug, 50 ounce. Ayan, 50 ounce. And, pakita ko sa inyo. Unfortunately, guys, wala siyang boot na dala. Kasi, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Hindi siya package. And, nag-order ako, pero hindi pa siya available. So, siguro mga after a few days, darating. Ito siya, guys. Ito yung jug, 50 ounce. Ayan. Laki lang siya ng konti kay Jarrell. Ayan. Ito yung 40 ounce. Ito yung 50 ounce. Mas mababa siya, pero mas malapad. Ito pataas kasi. And, ito yung handle niya. And there's two way how to drink it. So, here's the first way. You just click it here. And you can drink it directly here. Okay, just like that. Then, the second way is the other side. Here. Click nyo po. And there's a small straw. Okay? There's a straw. You can sip it right here. Diba? Kung ayaw mong uminom dito sa big hole here, you can drink it here by the straw. Okay? So, let's open it. Here inside, pag i-open natin, here's the straw. Removable naman siya, guys. And ganito siya kalaki sa loob. So, color brown, baby blue, and yellow po ito with some orangey yellow. Okay? So, ito yung kay Raya. And lastly, this one is for Ameya. Actually, Kuromi dapat to, pero sold out agad. Kakalabas lang nung nakaraan. Sold out agad yung Kuromi. Hanggang sa Hello Kitty and Cinnamoroll ang natira. And, eto na lang yung natira. Yung Cinnamoroll. Sanrio edition. This is also a water jug. 50 ounce. Ganito po siya. So, 50 ounce siya. Na jug. Okay. May nahulog. So, may dala pa siyang sticker, guys. Ayan. May sticker. Aqua Flask, nakasulat. And some Cinnamorolls stickers. Sanrio stickers. Then, finally, wow, ang ganda. Here is the water jug. So, this one, the Sanrio edition, meron na siya dalang boot. Diba? So, ganito siya, guys. This is the design. Ang cute niya. And, ito yung kulay niya, blue. Metallic blue siya, guys. And, hindi siya sticker, guys, yung mga design dito. Ayan, hindi siya sticker. Printed siya talaga sa jug. And same din kay Raya. This is the big mouth. Ayan. Tingnan ng ganyan. And here, the straw version. Ayan. Straw version. Ayan. And sa loob, blue rin yung straw niya, guys. So, tiyaw. And this one, ayan sa loob. So, yun, guys. That was all for today's video. We have 2 water jug and 1 tumbler. Ayan. Ang dami ng tumbler dito sa bahay. Every year, bumibili ako ng tumbler. Di lang sa akin, sa asawa ko, pati sa mga anak ko, diba? So, yun, guys. That's it for now. Update ko kayo sa boot ni Raya. Actually, it's just a transparent one. But yeah, that's it, guys. If you like this video and you want to buy one of these, just DM me on my Facebook page, Liabi 2.0 or Liabi 3.0, so I can give you the link. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Again, thank you so much for watching and see you on my next vlog. Love, love, love.